Dear friends, now this is also a kind of electrical drawing. So this is a plate earthing. So it is the diagram of plate earthing. So we need to draw this plate earthing, how it looks like, and all the dimensions shown here are in millimeters. So we need to set the units first. So I am going into the command line, giving the command UN and press enter, and type is decimal, and I don't need any precision. So I am putting this to 0 and set this insertion scale to millimeters and click OK. Now we need to set the limits. Go to command line, give the command LIM and press enter. So the lower left corner defaultly to 0, 0, press enter, and we need to set our as. So the highest dimension here is, so it is around, I am giving around 1500, 1500, press enter, give the command Z enter, all enter. So now we have set the limits, units, whatever are needed for this diagram. So we have set, and now firstly I am going to start to create this rectangle. See, I want to create this rectangle at the first. So now I am selecting rectangle command and I am drawing a rectangle. So I am clicking the first point of rectangle and see. So the other corners, so there are different options here. So I am selecting dimensions option. So it is asking you the length of rectangle. What is the length of rectangle here? So it is 168. So give that value 168 and press enter. And now the width of rectangle is C. Width is also 8 by 168. It is a square element. So I am giving again 168 and press enter. Now we have created this square. So you can create in any side of this. If you click any side, so this square box will be created. And now there is another square box inside which is 112 by 112. So, and the offset distance is 28. So it has given the offset distance is 28. So we need to give the command offset, O enter, and give the distance 28 and press enter. Select this rectangle and make offset to inner side. So a rectangle will be made offset, so to inside. So it looks like this. And now there is a circle element here. So see, there is a circle here of radius 13 to the center of this inner square line. So for that, selecting the circle command, and to the center of this line, see, which is of radius 13, there is a circle. So it is asking the radius only. So I am giving the value 13 and press enter. Now there are lines here. See, from here to here there is a line. So from this point to here, so the distance is 212 it has given. So we need to draw this line from the top. So for that I am selecting line command, and see, from the center I need to create a line first. So from here I am creating line of distance 212 and press enter. Now see, it is a line, it is getting like this. And now see, there is a distance of this line. See, the offset distance is 6 it has given. So for that again I am going into the command line, giving the command O enter, and giving the distance half to the 6, giving the value 3 and press enter. Select this line and make offset to left and make offset to right. So now it is creating like this. So the length is looking very small. So I am putting a point here. So go to DDP type, select the point and give the command PO and press enter. Put a point here, and now there is a line. See here, there is a line of 180. So I am creating that line. So selecting line command, and from here I need to draw that much of line. So it is the length, full length is 180, to the half of this it is 90. Press enter. See, it is 90, and we need to make mirror this line. So further give the command MA and press enter. Select this line and press enter. Give the mirror line. So you can select the mirror line and press enter. So now, so I have created this line, and now there is a distance of, so there is distance of 30. So the length of this line is 30. So for that I am selecting line command again. So from here to top the distance is 30 and press enter, and see there is a distance from here to here. See there is a distance of 30. So I need to go to rightwards, so 30 and press enter, and I need to go to top. So see from here to here the distance is 60. So we need to create that 60 and press enter. And now, so the same I need to make mirror, selecting this part and giving the command mi and press enter. Select the mirror line and press enter. So I got this profile and I need to join these two. So put your point over here. And I need to move this point. So select the move command and select this point and press enter. Select this as the base point and move to 38 and press enter. And now from this point I am creating a line. So select this point and move to the down the distance of 11 and press enter, and go to right and give the distance 4 and press enter. And now I need to go down to a distance of 8 and press enter. Now I need to go to left to a distance of 42 and press enter. So not 42, or I am making mirror, selecting this and giving the command mi and press enter. So select the mirror line and press enter. So now join these two. So this is the actual profile it is getting. So give the command J for join, give the command J and press enter. Select both these lines and press enter. So it is converted into a single line. So now I am putting a point here, giving the command P and press enter. So to the center of this I am putting a point and I am drawing, and I am moving this point to rightwards. So give the command, selecting move command. Select this point and press enter. Select this as the base point and move this rightwards to a distance of 30 and press enter. And see, select line command and draw a line from this point to a distance of, so from here to here the distance is 51 to the bottom. So we need to draw a distance of 51 and press enter, and there is a distance of 60. So I am giving 60 and press enter. Now join these two lines. So now see, it is the actual profile, and now there is an internal element here. So there is a line and there is a circle over here. So for that I am drawing at a distance of, so from here to here there is a distance. So now I need to move this point first. So select this point and move command. Select this as the base point and moving this to some distance of 10. Select line command and from this, so to a distance of 5, press enter. So draw a line to the half of this, and I need to make mirror both of these lines, selecting and giving the command mi and press enter. So select the mirror line, select these two lines, give the command mi and press enter. View the mirror line. Now the profile is creating like this, and so I am drawing a circle. So better to draw 2-point circle because we have 2 points here, or we can also create tan radius circle. So we need to specify the first point. So I am clicking here, so the radius is 13. So it is very huge, I think. So just reduce the size. I need to create a pipe element here. So there is a pipe here. So for that, so we need to extend these lines also to this circle. So for that, give the command ex and press enter. Select these 3 lines, press enter. So now those will be extended. There is a element here, pipe element. So for that we need to draw a line. So taking line command, and from here we are at some distance. So to a length of, so it hasn't given, I think, the dimensions of this pipe. So to a length of some 50 and press enter, and I need to again increase the size to some 30 and press enter, and now draw a line to the rightwards to a distance of 30 and press enter, or we can also draw some 10 and some 10. So now see, now we can make mirror. So I am joining lines, see, because we have drawn different types of lines. So give the command J and press enter. Select these lines So if you select these lines and press enter, so it will be converted into a single line. And now there is a distance of, so give the command O and press enter. So give the distance of 12 and press enter. Select both this. So it is very huge, I think. So giving the command O and press enter, giving the value 6 and press enter. Select this line and make offset to rightwards. Now it looks like this. And now, so I am just selecting this and giving the command M and press enter. So I am just moving this to some distance. Again give the command M and press enter. So we need to extend this. So now see, now it is better. So now what should we do? We need to join these. So we need to extend this. So now see, now it is better. So now what should we do? We need to join these two with a line. Now we need to make a fillet here of radius 16. So for that, selecting this fillet command, select the radius and give the value 16 and press enter. Select this line and this line. So it will be made fillet. And again enter. So radius 16, press enter. Select this line and this line. So now it will be looking like that. And now there are two rectangles here. So I am drawing with assumptions. So because the dimensions I am given right, I am drawing with assumptions. And again I am drawing a rectangle here also. So see, there are two rectangles here. So the profile is looking like this, and I need to draw line and I need to make to here. See, I need to create like this. So for that I am drawing a line to the bottom, and the same I need to draw a line from here to here also, and I need to join these two inclinedly. See, I need to join these two with some inclination, with some equal distance. So I am reducing the size. So with equal distance we need to join these two. See, so now again we need to make fillet here. So for that, select the fillet radius 16. Yes, 16 we will give this, and set the multiple, select these two lines. So now those will be appearing like this. There is a profile here. So we need to create this profile at some distance of this. So for that, so I am creating this profile first. So I am drawing a line at some distance we need to create. So I am drawing a line command. So the dimensions I am given properly. So the length of this line, I need the length of this line. So I am just assuming and drawing, and I am going down and I am going to the left. The thickness is 8, it has given 8. So give the value 8 and press enter. And now I am going up to a distance and I am drawing an inclined line because dimensions I am given. So I am assuming and drawing and join these two. So the profile is looking like this. And see, again I am selecting line command and drawing a line. So from here to here, dragging this, and I am drawing a line from here to here with a distance of 8 and press enter. And I need to go down, so with some distance, and I need to join these two. Also. Now there are some bolts here. See, there are some bolts and nuts here. So for that I am drawing. There are some bolts and nuts here. So for that I am drawing a line here. I am drawing a line, and I am making offset this line. So giving the command O and press enter. So the distance is the overall distance it has given. So it is 3 and 6. The overall distance is 6 it has given. So the offset distance I am giving 6 and press enter. Select this line and make offset to top and make offset to bottom. And this line is at a distance of 3, offset to the top and offset to the bottom. So again giving the command O and press enter, giving the value 3 and press enter. Select this line and make offset to top. Select this line and make offset to bottom. So this is the actual profile, and we need to copy this and select this and copy to some distance. So I am making copy here. Now, so give the command spline, SPL, and press enter. So draw a spline from here to here. See, I am drawing a spline. So the profile looks like this. And again I am drawing a spline So see, similar way. So we need to create a spline like this, and again SPL and presenter. So draw a spline, and minimizing this length so it looks like curvature, and reducing so it looks like this. And now I am making mirror gamma and presenter, give the mirror line and presenter. So now see, so this is the profile, and the same we need to create to the bottom also, selecting and making copy. Select this point and making a copy here. Also select this point and give the command CO. Present profile looks like this. And now what should we do? So we need to create an opposite profile to this. So for that I am drawing a line. So from here to here, just reference line. And now I need to select these profiles, and I need to give the command M and press enter. Select this line and press enter. So the profile I need in the opposite direction. So I am removing this line, and from here I need to draw a line. See, I need to draw a line with some distance. See, I am drawing lines, distance. See, I am drawing lines. So I need to draw a line. So I have created this profile, and in the similar way we need this here also. So again I am selecting this profile and making copy CO, press enter, select this point and copy to here. Now remove this line. So now the profile looks like this, and select this point and make a copy here and make a copy here. And now again select this and give the command CO and press enter. Select this point and make a copy here. So now the profile is looking like this, and there are bolts like this, it will be appeared. So there is a line here. So I need to draw a line from here to here. So see, I am drawing a line from here to here. I am just joining this, and now I need to create again some spline here. SPL and presenter, select this point, and I am drawing a spline like this. So I have drawn a spline like this. Now I need to draw lines, so which represents the hatching or some threading of this bolt. So give the command CO and press enter, select this line and press enter. So make copies. I have made copies, and I need to draw small lines which represents the threading part. Now I need to make copy, select and make copy to the center of these lines. So we need to make copy, and making copy, CO and press enter. So just select and make a copy here also. So the same threading portion will be appeared here. And now there is a profile here also. So for that I am drawing a line, so it is to the center of this line. We need to create this profile to the center of, see, to the center of this line. So it looks like in side view. It is in the front view and it is in the side view, it looks like this. So for that I am drawing a line which is reference to this. Again I am drawing a line from here to here. So see, I have drawn two lines. Now I am taking some line, reference line. So this is the actual length, so we need to create, and this is the length of this. And now I need to draw a line, so which is reference to this, and I need to draw at a distance of 33. So which is half to the 33, give a length half to 33 and press enter. And now I need to go top to a length of, see, to a length of which is to here, and I need to go to left, or I need to convert this. See, there is a curve here. So I am drawing a line to leftwards and I am drawing top. So I need to go to this top point. See, we need to track these points and we need to draw, and see, I need to. So now I am making mirror this. It is better. Select and give the command M and press enter. Give the mirror line, press enter. So the profile is looking like this. Now there is fillet here. So yes, 5 is okay. And I need to give the value F enter, R enter, 5 enter. Select both of these lines. So now see, the profile is looking like this. And I need to create a circle inside. See, I need to create a circle inside to this, and now see, inside there is a hexagon. So for that I am selecting this polygon command. So enter the number of sides 6 and press enter. Selecting this as the center of the polygon, and I need this inscribed only, press enter, and just give the value of radius here. So the distance of this one is 12, it has given. So the radius is 15. So it has given the distance 15. So I am giving the radius as 7.5, giving the value 7.5 and press enter. So see, it is creating like this. Now the same I need to make a copy, selecting and giving the command CO and making copy here also. I need to rotate this rectangle, this hexagon. So selecting and giving the command R1 and press enter. So I am just rotating this to 90 degree, and now I am moving this to the center of this. So again delete this, select this hexagon, make a copy to the center. So now see, it is the profile. Now there is an element here. So I need to draw to the top. So from here to here, I am drawing with assumptions. So drawing this line, and joining this, making mirror these two lines. See, now the profile is looking like this. And now the similar way we need to create here also. So, or we can also select. So we will also create this part. So for that I am selecting rectangle command. So by tracking this I am drawing a rectangle here. See, I have drawn a rectangle, and now I am drawing a spline here, SPL and press enter. Selecting a spline, again give the command SPL and press enter. Select this point and drawing a spline. See, it is looking like this. And now I am selecting this, or you can also trim in the inner parts, TR and press enter. So the profile is looking like this, and I am making copy these elements. So selecting and giving the command CO and press enter. Select this and put it over here to the center of this. So see, the profile is looking like this. I don't need this line. This line I don't need. So I am just removing, and remove these two lines also. So now I need to create this profile also. So there is an exterior profile. So for that I am selecting line command, and I am drawing line, and I am drawing a spline. Enter, and just draw a zigzag line. So I need to draw again line from here to here. Now select this and make mirror to the opposite side, press enter, and trim the exterior parts. Now see, the profile is looking like this. So we need to move the whole profile to some nearest distance. So see, it is the actual profile looking like this, and I need to create a center. So there are center marks, and you can also increase this size also. See, so it is the actual profile. So we have completed creating this profile. So it looks like this, and there is a hatching portion here. So to in hatching, and I am going into the command hatch, and select this internal part and give this hatch and give the huge value 20. So it is enough, I think. So it is very increase the value, so the hatch will be clearly visible. So now see, giving the value 60, it is not good. So 50 is enough, I think. So it is, and we can also remove these points. We don't need these points because those are for reference purpose. So the hatch looks like this, and in the similar way, so there is a concrete here. So cement concrete is applying inside this part. So for that I am going into the hatch, I am selecting the hatch and I am clicking the internal parts. So the type of hatch is, so this blue size, see, so see, it is the concrete, and I am giving some value 3 and close text editor. So it looks like this, and there is an, see, it is a charcoal and the salt layers are there. So for this we need to apply some kind of hatch. So select hatch, select this internal part and check the type of hatch which is suitable. So I think it is sand. So it is not sand, it is, I think, gravel. It is the kind of gravel. So it is the gravel. Select this and give the high value 10 or some 30. So see, click close text editor. Now it looks like this. You can also apply the colors for this, and now we need to give the dimensions. Again, go to building command, select modify, symbols and arrows, give the value 10 and value 15. So click OK, set current, close. Now see, it is better. And now I am selecting the dimensions from here to here also. So 168, and the dimension from here to here is also 168, and now the internal 168, and now the internal diameter from here to here, the distance is 212, and so I need to create here dimensions. So wherever needed, so we need to put the dimensions there, so it will be better for the reader. So try to represent dimensions very clearly, so without confusion the readers can easily understand your drawing. So see, these are the dimensions. Now I am drawing this radius representing this. Now I am drawing this radius representing this. Now see, this is the actual profile, and I need to create this, so I need to represent this text also. So for that I am selecting this radius command. So I am just moving this dimension so to here. So this is a part of edit this text too. So what it is giving, CI frame, CI frame. So CI is for cast iron frame, so it is made of cast iron, it is given. And now I need to make a copy of this CO and press enter. So select this and make a copy to here, and just move this to this side. So now represent here. So what it is, just edit this text. It is MS rod R5, radius 5, it is given. And now select this and make a copy. So to CO and press enter, make a copy of this to here and to here. So to here. So wherever needed you can apply this to here and to here also. So see, all these are the dimensions we need. So we need to just represent this like this, and making another copy to here. Now just edit everything. So we need to edit this first. So what it is? So it has given 1:4:2 cement concrete pit. So it is the text here. So 1:4:2 represents the ratio between what? So to copper or GI wire. So GI is for galvanized iron wires will be fitting into this, and this is a part of thimble. So we need to edit this to thimble, and there is a bolt and nut here. So we need to edit this bolt and nut. And now there is a GI or copper plate here. So just edit this to GI or copper plate. So now see, we have represented each and everything, and there is a charcoal or salt layers. And now edit this to charcoal or salt, charcoal and salt layers. So see, this is the diagram of plate earthing, and you can also represent this as plate earthing also. So for that I am selecting single line text and selecting a vertical line and press enter. Now type to plate earthing, and now I need to rotate this text. Select this text and press enter. Select this to and rotate this to 90. So now see, this is the plate earthing. It looks like this, and you can also give colors also, whatever you needed. So I am selecting this hatch and selecting some color to this as pink color, and select this hatch and select some different color. So like that you can apply different colors to different hatches also, and to different texts also you can apply different colors. So it is up to you. So now I am selecting some color to this text. See. So now like that text, and you can also apply colors to dimension text wherever needed. So if you want colorful drawings also, so those text and those colors will be applied, and I am applying color to this also. So this is the actual figure of plate earthing which is related to electrical drawings. So there are separate softwares for electrical and civil, architectural and mechanical. So you can also draw in normal AutoCAD also, and if you need any more tools relating to electrical or relating to civil or relating to architecture, so we need to use that specialized softwares of AutoCAD. So currently I don't have those, so I am just showing you limited diagrams of electrical. So we need to practice more and more drawings, but the profiles looks like this, and you need to create in this type, in this manner.